Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sleepy sidekicks for another video. So glad you're here. If you're new, I'm Laura. I think you can barely see Zena's bum over here. I'm making her work hard today, so she is not really engaging. Wyatt is here, but he's on bug patrol, but I can probably get him to say hi. Huh, buddy, can you say hi? He's more likely to participate, but you just might see him run by chasing a bug. So for today, I have my Glamour Jewelry Box for you. This is July's Glamour Jewelry Box. This is the outer bag it comes in. Your jewelry comes in a awesome little jewelry pouch to keep everything nice and protected. And today, July's, I wish it came every day. I was going to say today's theme. July's theme is Welcome to Italy. Love the lemons. And it says, introducing the Italian collection, a dreamy summer curation with pieces that embody Italy's iconic coastal paradise. Bold, fresh designs and versatile styles make up this collection's fit for a summer vacation in Italy. This set includes pieces that are not only elaborate but unforgettably remarkable. So pack your bags because our collection will be the perfect finishing touch to your look as you're transported to the most incredible place we've laid our eyes on. I can't wait to see what's in here. Glamour Jewelry Box is a jewelry subscription. The jewelry you get is yours to keep. It is $34 a month for 2 pieces of high-end jewelry. You do get to pick between gold and rose gold or silver, or you can get a rotation, so you can choose to get both. They do tend to have dainty and trendy pieces, and I can't wait to check these out. Let's see. So inside my pouch, you do get cards that will tell you about the jewelry you received and what the retail value is for your $34. And then you have your jewelry. Ooh. All right, so first up we'll do the earrings. They come in a little plastic to protect them inside the pouch. And let's see. These are really pretty. So this is rose gold, and these are gorgeous. These are smaller. They're post earrings. And here's what they look like. So they have that, they're circular with that stone at the bottom. Those are so pretty. They're called the Capri Earrings. The Capri Earrings are a glamorous yet minimal pair of studs, making it our new go-to pair. So easy to throw on, these timeless studs are a must in everyone's jewelry box collection. Plated in 14-karat rose gold rhodium, the retail price is $36, and they're from the Sophia collection. That's what I was reading to you. That's the first item. I'll put them both on for you so you can see what they look like. The second item is a cuff. And this is super pretty. How pretty is that? I love that it is 3-tiered, has the fun little studding going on there in the middle. That is gorgeous. It's the Amalfi Cuff. It's a modern, bold cuff with the perfect amount of shine. This bracelet is a fresh, style-forward addition to your stack collection. Guaranteed to turn heads every time you wear it. Also plated in 14-karat rose gold rhodium, and the retail price is $37. So this collection together is valued at over $70 for your $34. All right, so I'm going to put the earrings on and show you both pieces, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have both pieces on. Here's a closer look at the cuff. Look how pretty that is. And you can, of course, adjust it to fit better, looser, whatever you like, so you can move it up and down your arm. It does have a nice opening there. So I love that. That is so pretty. I do like their cuffs. I wear them quite frequently. You can catch me wearing these in real life on my outfit of the day, what I wore videos, so please stop by and check those out. But I think this is super pretty. And then here are the earrings. And here's a closer look. All right, what do you think? I think this is a fun collection. I do love Glamour Jewelry Box. Okay, I will put all the information for Glamour Jewelry Box down below so you can check out these pieces. I will put my code, which is HAPPY, down below as well if you want to sign up and give this subscription a try. If you use my code, you will get a free piece of jewelry. Yes, an additional free piece of jewelry in your first box valued at $25. Thanks so much for spending time with us today. Hope you hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Do hit that subscribe before you go. Hope you hang out with us for the long run. Until next time, bye everybody.